those phrases like twice a number plus 6, using the word is, which means equals, something on the other side, and having an equation that we will solve by the rules of equations. Not too hard, but not so easy either, okay? So, if you guys get stuck on these, Maddie, this is not a beauty parlor. If you get stuck on these, the first thing I would suggest you do is read them out loud. Go in your bedroom, where your desk is or whatever, turn the music up loud so nobody can hear you, and read the problem out loud. Because sometimes when it goes through your eyes and your ears, it makes more sense. Because they will be problems like this. The sum of 3 times a number and 13 is 100. The sum of 3 times a number and 13. What does that look like? The sum of 3 times a number and 13. Brenna?
3n plus 13.
All right. 3n plus 13. Is means equals 100. There's an equation. Now, what's the first thing we do to solve this equation, Emma?
Subtract 13 from 7.
That's right. So we have 3n equals 87? Then what do we do?
So I put the 7 by 3.
Yes. And we get n equals, is that 19? 29.
29.
Okay? That's called showing your work. And if you don't have that, then you haven't solved the problem. All right, let's try another one. 10 less than the product of 2 and a number is negative 60. Now let me read it again. 10 less than, what does that tell you you're going to do? What are you going to do, George Lee?
10 minus.
No.
Something.
What are we going to do?
Something minus.
Something minus 10. It's that word then. You've got to watch out for that. Okay, so 10 less than the product of 2 and a number. What does that look like? Thomas?
2.
Okay, so 10 less than the product of 2 and a number would look like what? What?
2n minus
Very good. So you would have 2n minus 10. Is means equals negative 60. You guys solve it. I'm going to turn this off for a minute, Justin. No. I'm just going to check and see if you got the same answer I did. We'll get to some others where we'll stand up. You finished? Now, did you do it just like that?
Yep.
See, I told you could call for it. All right, well, let's try this one. This is practice, so maybe you want to turn it off. No, okay. All right, this time you can stand up. Here we go. 15 more than the product of a number and 7 equals 1. Now, see, I've read it aloud. Let's read it again. 15 more. What does that tell you? Addition of what?
15 to something.
15. So we're going to have 15 plus something. 15 more than the product of a number and 7. What does that look like?
And times 7 plus 15.
Right, but let's put the 7 in front of the n. Okay, so you're going to have 7n plus 15 equals 1. You've done it? Okay. When you're finished, you can stand up.
Equals what?
1. Emma, what does your equation look like?
Two, wait, I'm sorry, it's wrong. 15 plus n 7 equals
Plus 7n equals what? 1, all right? Is that what everybody had? Maybe you had it backwards, maybe you had 7n plus 15, same
Yeah.
thing. All right, so now let's see what you got for answers. All right, we'll ask the birthday boy here.
I got n equals -2.
Right, if that's what you got, sit down. Some of you seemed a little hesitant. Let's try it. First thing we will do is subtract 15. That means that we've got 7n equals negative 14. And then we divide both sides by 7, and we get n equals negative 2.
Good job, Bradley.
All right, now guys, this is the lesson that is due, but it's not due